How men fall in love, is it different for men and women? What happens to a man's body and brain when he falls in love? It can sometimes seem like our culture encourages women to talk about romance much more than men. This can leave people confused about what love is supposed to feel like for men. Do men and women fall in love differently? Or do the similarities run deeper than we suspect? Research on this topic has shed some light on the biggest differences between women and men in love. It's also revealed many things that the sexes have in common. This article will review some of the characteristic ways that love can blossom and grow for men. Nature, nurture, and neuroscience. Discussions about men and women often start from the idea that people of different genders are simply wired differently. The idea that there are deep structural differences between male and female brains may be an attractively simple explanation for why women seem to act differently from men. But contemporary neuroscience research suggests that it's often a mistake to assume that gender differences are rooted in the brain. In many cases, societal differences in how men and women are raised, educated, and treated by their peers may offer better explanations. That's important to keep in mind as we look at how men fall in love. Men may fall in love more quickly. Everyone reading this has probably heard plenty of stereotypes about women pushing for relationships while men are afraid of commitment. But there's evidence that on average, men may actually fall in love more quickly. A survey of more than 170 college students found that male respondents reported both feeling love and saying, "I love you," at earlier stages in their relationships than females. Another poll reported that more men than women believe in love at first sight. Statistically speaking, men may be more likely to be hopeless romantics than women.